This could take some time.
Jubilee. No. Go around.
Is you doing it like that?
Jubilee, don't throw it. Isaiah, just scoop it and like push it on top of him. Yeah.
Look, I'm doing?
Yeah.
Here, there.
Oh, yes!
Careful, you'll break it if you push it too hard. Here, Aaron.
I'm not pushing. You're getting piles of dirt.
Okay, dump it out. Don't fill it up all the way, you're going to break it. Just dump it out and then get some more sand in it.
Oh my gosh, look at the size of that fly. See that horsefly? With her legs? Relax.
Jubilee! Got it.
Why, Elijah? Why'd you do this?
Because she was like this. Good. See?
Jubilee. No. You want time out?
Thank you. Thank you.
No! Aaron!
I don't think he cares.
I'll give him a half of one.
A little bit of dirt never kill anybody.
Feels no good on your teeth.
Aaron, does it feel good on your teeth? Aaron, not near his head. I'd be nervous.